I'm going to be talking about the global battery recycling market and the dynamics within that, whether we're looking at North America and Europe and China and how Europe can fit into this global industry.
I'm talking about the BMW vision on circularity and batteries.
I hold the main office of headquarters where we are trying to scale up what we are doing right now, spreading the knowledge, know-how, trainings, materials, solutions, toolings and everything else into the field of EV and hybrids.
I think there are a few challenges coming to us. So first of all, we need to see that Europe is not able to digest all of this alone. So we need to have a Europe and France attitude.
I think the point of scaling is the challenge because currently it's very nascent, it's small, so it's how do we get from A, where here we have these bright blue sky plans for the future in terms of what will happen, but we have to think about how we're going to scale to that future and getting from point A to point B.
There is no enough information there where OEMs didn't predict what is the solution for the problem which will come later. On the battery pack repairs, we cannot acquire any used or used or new battery pack cells. We cannot get some of the replacement parts because they are not selling it. There is no software support because they locked the BMS, so we cannot communicate or erase the error codes. But that opened doors for us and made us opportunity.
We really need to look at establishing a sufficient battery industry, including the upstream, because if we then go closing the loop and the material is coming back, it's not only about shredding, but it's again to get the active materials back into the chain, and this requires a local footprint in Europe of chemistry industry, and having enough cell assembly here is not the solution only. We really need to have the entire view.
The main point about getting those challenges is about being able to talk to people on the ground and face to face. So that's where coming here is very useful because I can get points of view from many different people.
The network helps us to accelerate the repair processes and to save time on the labor hours.
And I have to confess I learned a lot. So Oscar was so friendly and took me to Cidetec, for example, and I learned a lot about the Cidetec spin-offs. And it's also great seeing the other speakers and panelists and also to have this discussion. And I'm really impressed. I heard a lot of the Basque footprint on batteries, but seeing it is really worth coming and collaborating.
Yes, I liked really San Sebastian.
I love San Sebastian, it's brilliant.
I've been here 22 years ago, and I was, with one part of my heart, I was always looking back.